Ladies and gentlemen, my video tutorial will provide you with guidelines that will help you to get rid of the new ransomware called Pegasus. The video will show you why exactly this ransomware is called like that. And my video will help you to understand the damaging effect of this ransomware on your files. Well, before the ransomware's attack, you're able to open your data without any troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this Pegasus ransomware may be very easily injected into the computer. Very soon, people notice that the desktop background has been changed, and this desktop background actually contains the ransom note too, even though there is a little bit different ransom note titled as Ghost README. This is this ransom note. It basically mentions that the ransom needs to be paid for file restoration, but I urge you not to waste your money and not to pay the ransom. If you pay that ransom, that's a serious mistake and you will simply lose your money. The ransomware actually appends a random 5-symbol extension to the file names. This is a random extension. I recommend you to remove this ransomware urgently with the help of reliable antivirus such as Combo Cleaner, which you may get on the website combocleaner.com. So go to this official website combocleaner.com, use the green download Combo Cleaner button, install the program, and then start researching your system. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode and only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. So click on Start Scan button. Most likely in your case the application will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of this ransomware or any other types of threats. After the anti-malware database gets successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Some threats can be removed manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to premium license, and this way your data will always be protected in the future. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.